So we're just looking at a depression in the ground there. It could well be evidence of ancient flint mines. Beautiful, broad, clear path through the woodlands. Hearing the birds, such as the woodpecker I just mentioned. Hearing the squirrels running through the trees. What a feast they'll have. And in mast years, yeah, squirrel populations go up. Depending on your views about that, that's either a good thing or a bad thing. I think the squirrels would view it as being a good thing. What a beautiful, beautiful piece of woodland to be walking through. Like I say, 5-10 minutes drive from the heart of Chelmsford. How lucky are we? So we're going downhill now. Water will always find the lowest path. We're going over a stream, a culvert over a stream, and there's still some water in there. Who knows whether the course of that stream has been affected by the flint miners and flint nappers. Be a good place to see dragonflies.